Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a Land Rover, Range Rover maintenance light reset. And first of all, go ahead and have your driver door open, your hood open, and go ahead and turn on your car without starting. And at the same time, press and hold the brake and the gas at the same time for approximately 15 seconds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As you can see, the service has been reset, and that was only about 8 to 10 seconds. Now let go. Now close your door. Now let's use these buttons over here on the left side to go check your current status. Go ahead and press OK, the menu, until you get to here. Now click left or right to go to vehicle info. Now scroll down to next service, enter on it. There you go. As you can see, the next service will be in 16,000 miles. Earlier it was 0, and you're gonna be anywhere close to 0. Sometimes even negative 0, negative a certain amount. But there it is, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.